Students, as we have started quadratic equation, and quadratic equation, that is general equation of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, and we have done the formula method, that is x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We have done this. Now all the terms, all the value depend upon under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we have to find their nature of the root. Here d is the discriminant root and it is equal to b square minus 4ac. D is the discriminant root and d, the value of d discriminant root, it is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now we have to find the nature of the root. First nature, if value of d is greater than or equal to 0, d is greater than or equal to 0, it means b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then therefore then the root will be, roots will be real. अगर d greater than or equal to 0 है, that is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0 है, तो root will be real. वो root क्या हो जाएगा? Real हो जाएगा. Second, if d is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac equal to 0 है, तो it will be real and repeated root. ये क्या हो जाएगा? Real and repeated रूट्स. वो रियल रूट हो जाएगा और रिपीटेड रूट हो जाएगा. और थर्ड है, इफ d is less than equal to 0, that is if d is less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so the root will be no real root. No real root. रूट्स क्या हो जाएंगे? नो रियल रूट. वो रूट रियल नहीं होंगे. तो अगर d greater than equal to 0 है, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0, the root will be real. And if d is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac equal to 0 है, तो रूट क्या हो जाएंगे? रियल और रिपीटेड हो जाएंगे. इफ d is less than equal to less than 0 है, मीन्स b square minus 4ac less than 0 है, तो नो रियल रूट होंगे. अब अपन देखेंगे एक्सरसाइज. वी विल डू द एक्सरसाइज अप्लाइंग दिस कंडीशन, that is exercise 4.4. Question number 1. What is given here? What is here given? Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If real, then exit. Find, then find them. यह क्या करना है हमको? क्या फाइंड करना है? नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स फाइंड करना है इक्वेशन का. अगर रियल है, अगर वो रूट रियल है, तो हमको x की वैल्यू भी फाइंड करना है. सी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इट इज गिवन 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0. 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x माइनस 3x प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0. सो कंपेयर करेंगे हम जनरल इक्वेशन से x स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c से. सो a की वैल्यू 2, b की वैल्यू माइनस 3, c की वैल्यू 5. a इक्वल टू 2, b इक्वल टू माइनस 3, c की वैल्यू 5 आ जाएगी. तो पहले हम डिस्क्रिमिनेंट रूट फाइंड करेंगे t, दैट इज b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. सो हियर d इक्वल टू b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. सो d विल बी, b मीन्स माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू 2 इंटू 5. So it will be, d will be minus 3 square will be 9, then it will be 40. Yes, that is 2 into this into 5, 40. Or d is equal to minus 31. d will be minus 31. Now d is minus 31. Minus is given, means it is less than 0. Therefore d is less than 0. d की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Less than 0. That is minus 31 is less than 0. Therefore it is not a real root. Therefore it is not a real root. ये हमको d की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 0 से कम है, less than 0 है, थर्ड नेचर आ रहा है, तो this is not a real root. It is not a real root. अब ये रियल रूट नहीं है तो हमको वैल्यू फाइंड नहीं करना, जहां पे रियल रूट होगा देन ओनली वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू. वी विल डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन. If the equation given, second one, this 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. अगर इक्वेशन दिया है 3x square minus 4 under root 3x plus 4 equal to 0, we have to find the nature of the root. What is A? Comparing this with this, A is 3, B is minus 4 root 3, C is 4. That is, we are compared with this equation ax square plus bx plus c. अब d फाइंड करेंगे. d equal to b square minus 4ac. So d equal to b minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into a is 3 into 4. We have put the value of d equal to 16 into 3 minus 4 root 3 square is, so it will be 4 square is 16, root 3 square is 3, minus 16 into 3. So we are getting here 48 minus 48 or d equal to 0. d equal to 0 means d equal to 0. It is real and repeated root. ये क्या है? Real and repeated root है. Root क्या हो जाएगा? Therefore it has real and repeated root. अब रियल रिपीटेड रूट है, फॉर्मूला हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं x की वैल्यू. x की वैल्यू क्या है? माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. अब बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज इक्वल टू d. हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट d अपॉन 2a. यस और नो? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ d? d की वैल्यू है b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. सो वी विल रिप्लेस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाय d और x इक्वल टू माइनस बी मतलब क्या आ जाएगा? प्लस 4 रूट 3 प्लस माइनस d की वैल्यू क्या है? 0 है अपॉन 2 इंटू 3 और x की वैल्यू क्या देंगे? 4 रूट 3 अपॉन 6. दिस इज द वैल्यू. नाउ वी विल डू अनदर. Question number 2. It is given, find the value of k for each the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. What is given here? Equal root is given. Here given equal root. Given is here, given equal roots. What is given? Equal roots. So see the first question. Here first question given 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Up now we will compare with this equation with this. So value of a is 2, b is k and c is given 3. So first we will find d. d equal to b square minus 4ac or d equal to k square minus 4 into 2 into 3, d equal to k square minus 24. Now what is given? Equal root means d is greater than or equal to 0. It is equal root d equal to 0. It means k square minus 24 equal to 0 or k square equal to 24, k equal to plus minus under root 24, k equal to plus minus 24 means we can write 2 under root 6. 2 under root 6. This is the answer of the value of the k. Now next one more. Second part, it is given kx into x minus 2 plus x equal to 0. Kx x minus 2 plus x equal to 0. Now first you reduce the equation in quadratic equation. So we will get here kx square minus k into 2x plus x equal to 0, or we can write kx square minus 2kx plus x equal to 0. Now we have reduced in the quadratic equation form. Value of a, k, b minus 2k, c is given 6. Then we will find discriminant root, that is d equal to b square minus 4ac. So d equal to b square minus 4ac, put the value d equal to b minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6. Here value of b is given minus 2k and k is given k, c is given 6, we have put the value. So d equal to 4k square minus 24k. So we have got this value. Now given what is given, equal root means d equal to 0. It means 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. We can take common. So take 4k common outside. So we will get here k minus x equal to 0. It means 4k equal to 0 or k minus x equal to 0. Therefore 4k equal to 0 means k equal to 0. That is 4k equal to 0, k equal to 0 by 4, that is 0. And k minus 6 equal to 0. So value of k equal to 6. Therefore the value of k is 0 or 6. This is the answer. So here that is when whatever with the nature is given, nature, that is first you have to find that discriminant root d b square minus 4ac, then apply this formula, you will get the answer. So learn by heart the nature of the roots.